friends, welcome back to one more video. Thank you for watching my videos. H2 database for in-memory database. It's an local database. When you run the application, it will be stored into the file system for this. And here I have written the some of the properties here, JPA and show SQL, and this property should be format properties that hibernated format, and shutdown time guess full is equal to true. It means when a stopping time, we need to do on any other operations. So some operations like properly shut down the application. In this situation, we can use this one. Okay, this is the main annotation. This is the main configuration we are doing on, like what is the use of this configuration, what is the use of these properties, we can see now. H2 database here, and this properties files, and you observe here I'm not written any database URL and database password and username and password. Okay, we are using an in-memory database, that why it no need for all things. It's Spring container automatically configure this. If you need, and you can specify, no issue. Now I am running the application. Okay, see here, it will be show the SQL command for creating the student table. Okay, it's exist, it will be delete, drop the table if is existent student, and it will be create the new table. Okay, based on this configuration, it will be show here. Okay, now I'm deleting this configuration now. Okay, now I'm restarting the application, not show the that db queries here. See why we need to use this one for debugging time. We can use this which query is executing db. In this situation, we can use this one. Okay, this is the main yeah, actually here official spring boot site is there here, docs.spring.io.spring. Here application.property files, index.html file, this index.html properties files, and here H2 database is there. Now we are moving into the H2 database to Postgres database. Actually, I have done some property changes for this one here. I will explain you one by one. JPA Hibernate detail auto update. It means it's we have written here student model class. In this student model class, this student object is table is not there. It will be create automatically. If it exists, it not delete existing data. If it not have table, it will be create. And show SQL, what are the SQL sheet operations is doing on DB, it will be show the SQLs. And this property file also, it will be format the whatever SQL is showing here. And here major important concept here, data source. Data source properties, we are mentioned like a data source and a URL for Postgres database. I have connected to the local server. That's why I entered the local host. It should be DB host name here. I think it should be external server. It will be host in HTTP dbhost.com something. And port number based on your DB port number enabled. In production, it will be different port number should be there. Okay, and demo is the DB where I have created, and username and password Postgres and Postgres. Okay, by default I have created. I think if you need, and you can change into the database side. And is a driver class. It will be which driver. This is a Postgres driver SQL driver class. I have written here. Same as Pounded XML, I have modified into the one of the dependency here. Previously, this is an H2 database is there. Now we have moved into the PostgreSQL, and these are the main configurations we have did. Now I give you. I will explain you important topic. One of the plugin is there on. We can DB connection perspective. That is one we can go for here settings and plugins. We go for marketplace. It's on DB. Yeah, DB Navigator is there. You can install this one. You can connect the all the databases. I will show you how to connect the database and all. Okay, and it should be restarted. It will ask restarting and here. And actually this connection. Okay, see here when I click the plus. See, actually I have connected them previously. That's why it's showing on here. When you click the plus, it's showing on what are the databases supported, and I am entering the post. And here connection is there underscore local connection I'm doing, and the same description whatever is required for you, you can write down this one. And here DB name is demo DB. Okay, and here username password same demo DB, and check the connection. See, it's successfully connected database. Okay, now I'm applying and I'm clicking the OK button. It will show the connection here. Okay, when you click the right click and open the SQL. So here I am written select star from student. Okay, here the students is there. Okay, when the students, let me cross check. This is the student, not students table. Okay, fine. This is the student table. Second here. Okay, when I execute this command, it's showing this student as not exist for this connection. Okay, does not exist. This one is okay, fine, no issue. Now I'm running the application. See here, actually, in Hibernate, create the DB query is there. Create the table student primary key auto generated value, and this ID should be generated. Then I click the search for select star from search. Now we got the data. Just we can go for here, and demo is there, and demo have public is there. Yeah, schema we need to select into the public here. There is the main problem here. See here, data is not there. Table has created. Now I'm going to Postman for inserting the data. Okay, now here I'm console. I'm clearing. Okay, now I'm going on database. This Postman. Okay, when I click the save, it will be save the data here. You see here, it will be inserted. See, insert into the student so details. Okay, now I am fetching the data for students. Okay, here only one record is got. See here, this is also query is generated. Select star from student table. Now I am inserting the one more table here. It should be two records. Okay, now I'm clearing everything and I'm fetching. See here, two records we got. Now we are updating into the existing informations here. Okay, here I am updating into the this two. Okay, when I click the send button update method, what query should be executed here? It should be update query should be executed here. Okay, see here, this is updated, fine, and here update query is executed. See here, date of birth and email and name, where ID equal to so and so. Same execution we can do on DB also, same like that. Okay, now we can search into this one, into the here, how many records is coming. You can see two records we got. Yeah, this is basic example of today, this one. We can see on next videos how to debug the whole application and all. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. We'll come back on other video.